Good evening and welcome to the session number 14 from the playlist of Gravitation. The topic is the gravitational potential energy, and based on this topic I have written three important points in order to understand this topic in brief. So the first point is basically the definition of the gravitational potential energy, and it says that the gravitational potential energy is the negative of the work done by the gravitational force in bringing an object from infinity to its present position. Now this gravitational potential energy is negative because the gravitational field is performing the work in bringing a mass from infinity, and mathematically the gravitational potential energy is equal to the negative of work done, which is equal to the negative of integration of f dr within the limits of infinity and r. Now here F is the gravitational force, so this is equal to G capital M into small m divided by r square. Now here capital M is the mass of the larger objects, so it can be the earth here and M here is the mass of the smaller object, and here r is basically the center to center distance of the two masses. So here from this equation, this G capital M small m are the constants which has been taken out, and finally we have to integrate 1 upon r square dr. So by integrating this within the limits of infinity and r, I am getting the potential energy which is equal to minus G capital M small m divided by r. So in the next session we will be discussing a very simple question which will be based on this topic of gravitational potential energy. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.